Hello guys, welcome back to Cloud Hub. In the previous video, we had seen how to enable web hosting on a Windows instance. In this video, we will see how to enable web hosting on a Ubuntu instance. So first, let's start by launching an Ubuntu instance. So I'll click Launch Instance. I'll give the name as Ubuntu Server. Let's select the AMI as Ubuntu. The instance type as T2 Micro. We'll create a key pair with output T as PPK. I'll give the name as web server for Ubuntu. I'll click on create key pair. The key pair will be downloaded. In network settings will allow HTTP and HTTPS protocol so that we can allow traffic from the internet to the website, which we will launch on Ubuntu instance, and we'll launch the instance. Going back to the instances page. We don't have that instance running yet. It is in pending state. As soon as it gets connected and it is running, we'll start further. So the server is in running state now. We'll connect to it by using putty. So first of all, we'll give the public IP address as host name. We'll go to SSH, then authorization, in that credentials. We'll browse for the PPK file that we had just downloaded and we'll open. This will connect us to our instance via putty. We'll click on accept. We'll log in as. So as you know, for Ubuntu, the username will be Ubuntu. For Linux, it will be EC2-user. So I'll put in Ubuntu. We have logged in. So let's start by going to the root user. For going to as root user, we'll put the command as sudo su. We are as the root user now. Here we will update the machine. So apt update -y. The machine will be updated to the latest packages. It is done. Now, as in Windows, we had installed IIS server, IIS manager, that is Internet Information Service Manager. Here in Ubuntu, we will have to install Apache. There are many more, but Apache, we'll go with Apache for now. So apt install Apache 2-y. Enter. This will install Apache 2, which will work as the web server for us. In Linux, you have HTTPD. So as soon as this Apache 2 gets installed, we can see by going to the public IP address. I'll copy it from here, go to a new tab, and paste it. We'll use HTTP protocol for it. We can see that it gives a front page. This is the home page for Apache 2. Now, in this Apache 2 itself, on this web page itself, it has given us the location of this file. That this file is located at this location. So we'll just go there by cd and then pasting down the path for it. Okay, I just lost connection. So we'll duplicate the session or we can even restart it. Login as Ubuntu, enter. We'll go to root user. Instead of going to root user, if you want to use as Ubuntu user, you can do it. You just have to put sudo before each and every command. So we'll go to sudo, cd space this path which we are given /var/www/html. We are in that path now and we'll list the items there. So we can see that the item over there is index.html. Index.html is the file which will be shown when any web server is active. So this is the content of the index.html that is currently present in that folder. If we want to host our own website, then we can change the content by changing the index.html file. Or we can just copy this file or rename this file to another file name like cp, or we can just delete it, rm index.html, and then list it again. We won't see the file there. So now we'll create a new index file with our own data. So for creating it, we'll use nano editor, nano index.html, enter. Now, here if we want, hi, welcome to Cloud Hub. We are learning about launching a website on Ubuntu. We'll save it by Control X, pressing Y, and then enter. And now we can list it. We can see the file there. So we'll just refresh this page now and see what it shows, whether it shows the Apache web page or it shows the data or the file that we have created. We'll list the data so that when a file is shown, we can see what it contains. Sorry, I wanted nano index.html. I will go to a new page. It's taking time to load. Okay, it has loaded. As you can see, data here is hi, welcome to Cloud Hub. We are learning about launching a website on Ubuntu, and that has been shown to us on our web page. You can see this by going to this website or to this address by any browser or any mobile or any tablet. If I make any change over here, then it will also be shown. We'll just check that. Nano index.html. I'll add a separate line into this. We will be looking at some other services provided by AWS in upcoming videos. I'll save it. I'll get out of the file and I'll refresh this page. So this page has also been updated. I can list it by cat index.html. Here we are. Hi, welcome to Cloud Hub. We are learning about launching new instance and we will be looking at some other services provided by AWS. And that data has been updated on our web page. So in this way, we can launch a web server or a website by using Ubuntu instances. In case of Linux instances, instead of Apache 2, you have to give HTTPD and the rest of the process will be the same. Try that. Let me know if you don't. If you cannot do that, we'll try it in some other lecture, in some other video. Thank you.